Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to check if Selenium is installed. First, open your terminal or command prompt. Then, type Python or Python 3 to enter the Python interpreter. Once inside, try to import the Selenium library by typing import Selenium. If you don't see any errors, Selenium is likely installed and ready to use. If you get an import error, it means Selenium isn't found in your current environment. Another straightforward way is using the pip package manager. Exit the Python interpreter and type pip show Selenium in your terminal. This command will display detailed information about the Selenium installation, including its version and location, if it's present. If pip reports that the package is not found, you can easily install it by running pip install Selenium to get started with your automation tasks. For a more integrated approach, especially within your projects, you can perform a programmatic check. Create a small Python file and include a try-except block. Attempt to import Selenium within the try block. If an import error occurs, catch it in the except block and print a message indicating Selenium is not installed. Otherwise, print a success message. This method is excellent for automated setup verification. Comparing these methods, the pip show command is the fastest for a quick check, while the programmatic approach is ideal for integrating into scripts that need to verify dependencies. Both are effective, but serve slightly different use cases. Remember to always check your active Python environment. Also, if you're looking for other great deals and products, like the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, make sure to check the description below for links and more information. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.